everybody, this is Sister Omi. I hope everyone is doing well. We're going to start this day with a grateful heart, and we're starting this week with a grateful heart. So this week we got the new moon in Taurus, and again, happy birthday, Taurus people. And we've come through the eclipse. We're still feeling it, working towards that North Node energy. And let's see, what else? Mercury's now going forward. So, I think this is, I think the whole month of May is going to be very interesting. So, with that said, people, let's see. Let's see. Let's get a card. I'm going to do a crystal reading. This is the overview for the week. And, this is a general read. Take what applies, leave the rest. Don't try to force nothing. If it doesn't apply this week, maybe it'll apply next week or another day. Or it may not just be for you. Okay? So, whatever. All right. So, we have the Auralite. You think about your aura, right? Right, that energy that just surrounds you, right? So this is the soul connector. The Auralite has a sedative effect on the mind, stilling it so that profound healing and conscious connection with your soul, the universal mind and higher dimension occurs. Recognize that you are an integral part of humanity. Center yourself in inner peace and connect to your higher mind before making a decision. Beneficial contacts come through friends and family. It is not so much that you know as whom that counts now, and that includes higher beings. Aligning to as above, so below, as without, so within, leads to a sense of rightness and immense well-being. As above, so below, as within is so without. So this is a time to connect with your soul, realizing you're a multifaceted being. We're all parts of the universe and part of humanity. This is a very high frequency. It's when you think about it, though, it's more of a connection with your ego, right? Your soul, how you feel. Let's see here. The soul connector. Soul connector. So what's really connecting us, or what needs to be healed? Ten of Cups, your connection with your sense of family. And we, in this world now, we know all these things have, or definitions more or less, have changed to what people think is family or any of these things. So with this Ten of Cups here, this is the people you consider your family, your friends, enjoying inner peace, that inner soul. So are you around people who really uplift you? Are these people you consider family? But I'm really feeling this is more of a healing. I feel this is a healing energy because this yellow is of the mind, right? Even though it's cups, water. I feel like for some, this is really a good time to connect with family. There is a need to connect. Yeah. There's a need to connect. Oh, yeah, okay, we got the Ace of Wands. So I feel there's a connection here because this is that root, that foundation. Your soul family, your birth family. But I feel this is a connection that is really, like, we think of wands as spirit, creative energy, but it's also a very spiritual card. So I feel this connection there, it's that's the spiritual connection. There's a need here for some type of reconnecting, a sense of healing. We also have here the King of Cups. So this is definitely in the crown chakra. So I feel that for some, maybe there's some family healing that needs to take place. But at the same time, we look at the ace, the root chakra. This could be ancestral, okay? Like I said, it could be from other realms, your connections to your family in other realms. So this can also be healing ancestral spiritual connections, okay? Yeah, emotional. Okay, these is just flying. Okay, yeah, look at here. I gotta take them, they fell, right? We got the Six of Wands here. And we also have the Wheel of Fortune. So what I love about this is when we look at the Wheel of Fortune, right? This is like destiny. Okay, this is that heart chakra. There's a sense of destiny here. And then we look at the Six of Wands. The Wands is like, you have a reason to celebrate right now. All right? You have a reason, regardless of what's going on in your life right now. This is like an aha moment, okay? But as you can see, the path is open. Her arms are shaped like the V as to open up to say the future is in front. So this is an opportunity here, right? This is your destiny. This is about using all the tools that you have to move forward, because if it were not for your ancestors, this foundation, you wouldn't even have this aha moment. Okay, so this is why this is that soul connection. This could be your earth family. This could be your ancestral family. It's like they're opening up your vision and your heart to say, okay, this is where you need to go. And this is why you need to be happy right now. Okay, so whatever's going on in our lives, good, bad, or indifferent, I mean, even if you just got to celebrate, hey, I woke up this morning, I got a whole new opportunity to do something new, or even look at something from a new perspective. That's a reason to rejoice, okay? So, yes. Yeah, because I think, what is this? Let me just check. I think this crystal is in line with Aquarius. Yeah, so this is definitely, Aquarius could be outer worldly, and they don't think like most people. They're kind of brilliant and odd. They have an odd brilliance about them. Okay, look at here. We're starting. Oh, the star! Isn't this beautiful? I love the way this is here. So this is about your lessons you've learned. What have you learned through your family? Good, bad, or indifferent. But now, in this time and space, you have an opportunity to heal. All right? So this is where that hope is. There's that hope for this new vision, this new future. Okay? Yeah, see? Justice with this Ace of Wands. So now I feel that these acts, however you approach this healing process, there is a sense of bringing balance to that creative determination, spiritual energy that you have, and using that in itself is going to get you excited. There's a reason to be excited about this, and allow yourself, right? Justice. Justice is just really balancing, right? Balancing the scales. This is balancing your inner scales, your inner waters. You see how it's like reflective here? But what's interesting here, it looks like, see, it looks like her eyes are open here, where here they're shut. Or, or is it because she's like looking down with the reflection? Okay. All right. So even looking down with that reflection, this is about getting honest and being real with what you see. And knowing what needs to be healed. The lovers here. I don't necessarily feel this is a love, like a love relationship, the love of family, the love of who you are right now, okay? Yes, a lot of things could have happened, good, bad, or indifferent, but you're here right now, and you can make a change, okay? And that change is using the tools, knowing that you're on your destiny. You have tools to create the change, that moment of awareness, that light bulb moment, okay? Your vision is clear now. It's like you had to go through all this, good, bad, or indifferent, so that you can move forward on this path, on your destiny. You've been on your destiny since birth, even if it hasn't felt like it, okay? All right, so let's see. Okay, we got the 8 of Swords here. So this 8 of Swords, I feel this is about releasing, okay? Releasing all of the self-imposed visions of yourself, okay? Because now there's like a certain understanding of what has gone on, good, bad, or indifferent. It's like now you can start to see yourself more clearly. This is not what people have said and put on you, okay? You're being able now, this is about thinking for yourself, not allowing someone else. It's like, I say you're at a job and they tell you, oh, you're not qualified. And really, I would say that would be a blessing in disguise, because I would say the Most High has something better in store for you. This is just your training ground, okay? So what I'm seeing here, especially since this is in line with you have your tools, you have your vision, all right? So if you're in a spot right now and you may be feeling this, you need to focus on this energy. Focus on your goal. Focus on your destiny. This is just this is like a detour in the road. This is a detour really saying to you, all right, am I really, there's changes in life, okay? So let me go over my plan. Let me go over my goals, okay? Let me focus on what my destination is, right? This destiny. Let me focus on this, not on all this other stuff that really are others putting things in your way, trying to deter you from your future, your goals, your destiny, your purpose. All right, I'm going to get another card. See, yeah, along with that 8 of Swords, this is about temperance. This is like, yeah, these are, you're looking in the mirror, looking at things that others have projected on you. You're being asked right now to go bring this justice, get your balance, right? This love, this is really just loving on yourself and realizing you're feeding into stuff that is really in the greater picture. It may be a tool you need right now to move into the future, but it doesn't constitute who you are. This is temporary. So temperance is here. And the temperance is here just to let you know that you're ready. This is definitely a positive sign that you're ready to elevate, okay? And so this really is the test. I see this Eight of Swords as the test. Don't look or focus on all this stuff. You know, people like say this, that, and the other, or you this, that, and the other. The test is not to focus on that. Just be cool. All right. And what's interesting, like even with the Temperance, it looks like he's juggling here, like the light and the dark. Right. It's the Justice here too. This is balancing your own energy. Okay. Balancing more towards the light. Don't. Yeah, you may have to deal with some stuff, but how much energy do you want to give it? Okay. I feel this is saying don't give it any energy. All right. So let's see here. Let's see. All right. Oh, Christmas. Look what I turned all these around. So, you know what? I don't want to use these. But this, no. I don't want to use these. I want a clarification on the King of Cups. We got the Ace of Water. So this is all about being open to your inner feelings and trusting your intuition. The King of Cups here, your intuition, you know, it's like when you look in this mirror, you know that's not your stuff, it's someone else's. So you need to really trust your intuition. Your intuition, you see that sun in the background, your intuition is really going to be guiding you here. And so it's very important to be cool. To be cool, right? All right, so, and follow your heart. That was that Wheel of Fortune here. You have the tools you need. It's like people like look at you like, God, why are you looking all sad or whatever? And you're like, I'm really laughing on the inside, right? Okay, so let's see. Oh, look at this. Yeah. This 4 Earth. I feel this week is really about recalibrating, okay? Realizing that you are secure, okay? You may not have some things you want, but you could take the time and evaluate how far you've come. You're really in a good position in order to move forward. A lot of times this is looked at as being hoardy or, you know, selfish and not wanting to share. But I believe that this is you taking a moment in preparation for the change that's about to come. So you're not going to be shook. You know, change is inevitable, right? You know, okay? So you're not going to be shook. This is about really, you don't have to cling to your stuff. You don't have to even force control. You just really have to be. And when things shift, you are feeling secure on the inside, okay? Regardless of what's going on outside. You're feeling secure on the inside because really here with this king here, you're being guided by your intuition. In fact, you already knew this change, this shift was coming, and you're already prepared. So with that said, this is like, okay, you're ready. You're ready for whatever's going to come, whatever lessons you have to learn, whatever you have to go through in preparation for you moving towards your destiny. Remember, everything and every time, every moment is just a pit stop, right? It's not the end of the story, right? You never know the end of the story. You only know what's going on in the present. All right, so let's see. Pain. Yeah, so I feel this is why you're in this 4 and all this, the need to reconnect with your family, reconnect with your ancestors, and this is to heal any past pain and things that may have been experienced. And sometimes this pain, you know, even going back to looking at maybe how you're viewing things in the mirror, right? Maybe this pain was the pain itself was an illusion, okay? It wasn't because you didn't know the whole story, okay? So let's see. Yeah, space, yeah. Heal the pain, create space for something new, beautiful, and glorious here, because you got that wheel of fortune. Everything is looking good, looking good. Yeah, you hungry for something else. You're hungry for something else. This is a temporary stop. This is a temporary stop. And look at here. Yeah, just surrender. You know, we know change is inevitable. And in this position, if you're in a place where you really want to be, you know this is temporary. This is a tool in preparation for the future, right? So let's see. I'm just going to pull 4 cards. If they resonate, take the message, okay? All right, you guys, let's see. All right, I have joy and delight. Open your heart to joy. Isn't that what we were saying? Opening up your heart. That's that ace of water along with that king and that wheel of fortune. Open up your heart. You have so many gifts and tools. You have that reason to stand in this moment and be joyful and be delighted in this moment. Okay? Because you're moving past the illusion of pain. Okay? It's that pain, I feel it to some degree was an illusion. Okay, and not to say it didn't hurt, okay? Voyage of the heart. Love flows through you and to you. That's that lovers. Yeah, that love. Love yourself. More love. I think this is more self-love, okay? More self-love. And rejuvenating rain. Yeah. I can see this is all about healing. Clear the past, heal the present. Isn't that what we said? The Auralite, right? Yeah. Clear that past pain. Let it rain, let it rain, let it rain. I say, yeah, this is going to be beautiful. All right, and let's see. Let's get one more here. Well, it looked like 2 fell, and so we're going to take it. The wondrous universe. Walk in beauty. Yeah. This is you rediscovering yourself. You realize that your family, your ancestral lineage, they've all been with you, rooting for you. And so now you could walk in beauty in this wondrous universe. Okay? And then first light beginning. Yeah, get ready. This is a new cycle. We're coming up on the new moon, right? New moon is Tuesday. So make sure you check out the new moon readings. All right. So you guys, let me know what you think. I think this is going to be an interesting week. Yes. So please hit that subscribe button. Help my channel grow. Give me a thumbs up. This is Sister Omi. Peace.